Hey YouTube, it's Andrew the Bearded Giant, and I just made this scrap cutting stand. It's adjustable, and let me show you how I made it. I used some scrap tubing, some scrap angle iron, some scrap wood, and a scaffolding jack. This is how I did it. Alright, this portion I'm going to use I'm going to weld on here like this, and I'm going to use my outer diameter clamp I made. So like this. First I'm going to tack here and then work on the other side. It's not bad. I've done worse. It's pretty good. So here's my basic stand. It's adjustable, so the jack moves up and down. I'm going to put a board across here, and it will be my stand. Let's see. I just thought that if I get a sufficiently big enough piece of wood, I could also use this as a stool. So I got this scrap piece of scaffold plank. I'm going to drill some holes. I got these short lags. I'll just lag that in there, and voila, I got a stand and a stool. It's like a win-win. And look at that. Got a stand. And let's test it out as a stool. A little tall, I guess, for a stool, but it'll work. Yeah, that'll be fine. Alright, so this project turned out pretty good. It's just a quick project. Use a scrap piece of tube, some scrap angle iron I have, a scrap piece of wood. The jack's not scrap. If I need to reuse it, I can. I just pull it out and use it for scaffolding. But real easy to do. I used my Vulcan MIG-Max 215 from Harbor Freight. It's a great little welder. It's working out well for me. And thanks for watching. If you like what you see, subscribe. Ask questions, leave a comment, give me a thumbs up. Again, thank you for watching, and peace out.